If you dissolve hydrogen chloride gas, HCl gas, in methyl benzene is an organic solvent, so it's not made up of water. The solution formed will not show any acidic properties. So hydrochloric acid's simple acidic properties are not observed. So we know that HCl, hydrochloric acid solution, is an acid. However, if we dissolve hydrogen chloride gas, HCl gas, in methyl benzene, this time we are using an organic solvent, the solution obtained will not show any acidic properties. For example, the solution obtained won't turn blue litmus paper into red, and this means that the solution is not acidic. So we know that a blue litmus paper will turn red if it's dipped in an acidic solution, and here, with the solution obtained, we won't observe this change in color. So the solution obtained is not acidic. Moreover, the solution obtained won't react with magnesium ribbon to produce hydrogen gas. So as we know also, a metal like magnesium will react with an acid to give hydrogen gas. However, the solution we have will not react with magnesium and no hydrogen gas is produced. It won't react with marble chips to produce carbon dioxide gas. Marble chips are made up from calcium carbonate, CaCO3, and they react with acids to produce carbon dioxide gas, which is not the case over here. So when hydrogen chloride gas is dissolved in methyl benzene, the solution obtained isn't acidic. On the other hand, if hydrogen chloride is dissolved in water, it will produce hydrochloric acid, aqueous solution, which is acidic. So it will turn a blue litmus paper into red. It will react with magnesium ribbon to produce hydrogen gas, and it will react with marble chips to produce carbon dioxide gas. And this is because HCl, when dissolved in water, will produce the hydroxonium ion H3O+, which is responsible for the acidic properties.